आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate. Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
On the show tonight, the real inside story of what has happened in Maharashtra. And at 9 o'clock tonight, ladies and gentlemen, the warning from Maharashtra at a national level, why there appears to be an evaporating opposition. Well, I would like to start by analyzing the results in Maharashtra with 5 sets of graphics and 7 sets of figures. My first point is, and I'm analyzing the results of the elections to the municipal bodies and especially the Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the BMC, whose budget is bigger than that of a nation called Armenia. My first graphic, ladies and gentlemen, is that of the overall number which is on your screen. For Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde, this is a huge victory. For Sharad Pawar, Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray, it is yet another low, maybe one they will not recover from. 5 points tonight. First, the rise and rise of the BJP. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give the numbers in 2002, 2007, 2012, 2017 and 2026. Look at the numbers of the BJP. It's on an upward trajectory and only one person responsible for that, this is the BMC result, is a person called Devendra Fadnavis. They try to write him off, but he is today the super comeback man. The second point is on the ending of this Thackeray Raj. Because of the incredible base that his father gave him, he survived. But this man has managed to bring the Uddhav Sena, his faction. First he got the party broken. He lost the results. He carried out an extortion industry. He took corruption to unparalleled limits, ladies and gentlemen. And today they are only down to 69 seats. This is the first time in history that the Thackeray-led Shiv Sena will not have its own mayor in Mumbai since 1985. Uddhav Thackeray has destroyed what his father gave him. Ladies and gentlemen, because he's straight from ideology, you see, ladies and gentlemen. A man without ideology, without values. The third point is on the real Shiv Sena, which now emerges, Eknath Shinde. 29 municipal corporations went to vote today, accounting for nearly 2,869 total seats. When we look at the estimates of last time, the undivided Shiv Sena won 510 out of 2,425 seats in Maharashtra across 27 municipal corporations. Now you look at the results now. Today, the Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde won 356 seats. And Uddhav got only 144. Ladies and gentlemen, can you believe it? He is nowhere. Uddhav Thackeray is nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. The myth of Raj Thackeray. Too much of made out of this man, Raj Thackeray. In reality, he has no political influence. He's a good speaker, but that's about it. This time, Raj Thackeray's MNS wins 9 seats, competing for the worst performance ever only with itself, his second worst performance in the state. Not a political factor anymore. Next point, the end of the Pawars. Look at Pune. The Pawars were supposed to control Pune. They have a strike rate of 9% right now, ladies and gentlemen. They contest 165 seats in Pune, get 15, strike rate of 9%. Even Rahul Gandhi does better than Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar combined. Look at Pampri Chinchwad, ladies and gentlemen. They contest 128 seats, end up winning 37, a strike rate, ladies and gentlemen, of 28%. And these are their strong areas. If they do so badly in the areas where they are believed to be strong, that means the law of diminishing returns has started to apply for them. I think they will come together. Ajit Pawar will hold on somehow to his position as Deputy Chief Minister. Sharad Pawar will merge with Ajit Pawar and hand over the seats to the BJP, but he has no negotiating room. Sharad Pawar wants to make his daughter Supriya Cabinet Minister. Maybe he'll get it, but that's it. That's the most he can get. Sharad Pawar's political future looks bleak. Ajit Pawar's even bleaker. The Rahul Gandhi of Mumbai is today Ajit Pawar. Because in Mumbai he contested 94 seats, he won 1. Pathetic. He is the Rahul Gandhi of Mumbai. And which brings me to Rahul Gandhi. It is not the Indian National Congress. It is the invisible National Congress. Congress went from 75 seats in 2007, 52, 31, 21. It's amazing, ladies and gentlemen. This man, Rahul Gandhi, can pull water out of a rock. He can do worse when you think he never can. Strike rate estimated in BMC, contesting 151 as part of seat sharing arrangement, 9.93%, ladies and gentlemen. And the sad thing about Rahul Gandhi is that nobody wants to have any alliance with him anywhere. You can be sure if you have an alliance with Rahul Gandhi, if you had a meager chance, even that disappears, that evaporates. He brings political bad luck, it seems. What did you think of my analysis of the results in Mumbai and across Maharashtra? Share the video and let me know.
आज महाराष्ट्र में 29 महानगर पालिका के चुनाव में 25 जगह पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी और मित्रों का विजय हुआ है। मुंबई में पूर्ण बहुमत हमको मिलेगा। मुंबई में महापौर हमारा महायुति का बनेगा। ये जो विजय है महाराष्ट्र की जनता का, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी पर जो विश्वास है, उस विश्वास की ये विजय है।
A historic sweep in Maharashtra. A second saffron storm in less than 2 years. From the BMC to Pune to Pimpri Chinchwad, Bran Thackeray and Bran Pawar stand decimated. Voters have not forgotten the Uddhav regime. He destroyed the legacy of Bala Saheb Thackeray. Attempt to suppress Hindutva, stifle the media,
Mr. Parambir Singh,
shield the corrupt.
you fabricated evidences in TRP scam. Are you ashamed of it?
And today, Uddhav Thackeray finds himself politically irrelevant, while Raj Thackre's eminence pays the price of provocation. Parallelly, the election also saw the BJP piercing through the Western Fortress. Traditionally strongholds for the Pawars, both Pimpri Chinchwad and Pune saw the Saffron Party race ahead. Two reunions, two failed gambles. The Marathi Manus has made its choice.
जो मराठी मानुस का मुद्दा है, उस मुद्दे पर मुझे बोलने दीजिए। इन्होंने मराठी पत्राचाल में रहने वाला मराठी आदमी किसने उसको रास्ते पर लाया? इन्होंने लाया। अभ्युदय नगर किसने रास्ते पर लाया? बीडीडी चाल। जो मराठी आदमी का सबसे बड़ा प्रश्न है मकानों का, वो हमने सॉल्व किया। बीडीडी चाल में रहने वाले 80,000 मराठी आदमी, इनके काल में केवल उनको मूर्ख बनाते रहे, केवल बिल्डरों को वहां पर लाते रहे। मैंने निर्णय किया बिल्डर नहीं आएगा, भाड़ा तैयार करेंगे। आज बिल्डिंग तैयार हो गई, लोग रहने चले गए। 80,000 मराठी लोगों को घर दे रहे हैं। देखिए, अगर मराठी हमारे साथ नहीं होता, ओनली बीजेपी इज अ पार्टी हु हैज कंसिस्टेंटली परफॉर्म। तीनों चुनाव में हम 15-16 सीटें चुनकर आए, जितनी सीटें लड़ते उतनी हम चुनकर लाते। अब ये समझ लीजिए कोई मराठी इनके साथ नहीं है, नॉन मराठी तो इनके साथ नहीं है, कोई इनके साथ नहीं है।
शिवाजी महाराज की
So we are going to start the debate right now, and we have Susiben Shah there, and we have Sanju Verma this evening, and who else do we have here? We have Brij Mohanji Srivastav of the NCP. We have Ratnakar Tripathi of the Congress Party. Such a sad situation, no? Congress Party, such a sad situation. One seat. One seat. And very sad, very sad. One should not laugh, actually. It's very rude of me. I shouldn't be doing things like this. And we have Mr. Sanjay Dwivedi of the Shiv Sena. Thank you, Mr. Dwivedi. I have data points. I will use the data points to explain what's going on. Susiben Shah, what happened to the Pawars? Let me ask first.
Pawars were shown the door. You see, the point is, unless and until you work hard on ground, work for your office bearers, work for your candidate, hold hands, guide them.
You are saying Sharad Pawar does not work hard enough?
When Mr. Sharad Pawar didn't come out this time for the reason best known to me, he's a senior man.
Maybe it's age that's caught up. Maybe he's not fit. Maybe it could be any reason.
Mr. Goswami, if you see in Bagmati, Nagarpalika election, they were wiped out. So, Supriya Sule her bastion was wiped out clean.
But
so
Supriya Sule is not a politician now, No, Supriya Sule is not a serious politician.
You could say that. You could say that. You see, the point is...
She'd be more comfortable doing politics in Singapore than in Mumbai.
So therefore, now all these things, the Pawars, the Thakres, the family name won't work. People want progress. They want people who deliver, who work. And let us understand, people know what is stability. We have a government in the center, it is stable. We have a Maharashtra government.
But now let me come to the other Pawar, Ajit Pawar, represented by Brij Mohan Srivastav. Brij Mohanji, you are with Ajit Pawar, no? You are not with Sharad Pawar?
Yes. No, I am with Ajit Pawar.
No dynasty anymore in Maharashtra.
I am the National General Secretary of Ajit Pawar.
You are National General Secretary of Ajit Pawar. Ajit Pawar fought 94 seats in Mumbai, won 1. The joke is that Ajit Pawar is the Rahul Gandhi of Maharashtra politics. Do you agree? He said, I will contest 100. He contested 94, won 1.
I am not agree with you. I agree, but it was the part of a strategy because what was the plan actually? We wanted to have a Mahayuti everywhere in the Maharashtra. And that was the part of a strategy. So we have done that. And we have to, because the main target was the winning each and every municipal corporation in Maharashtra. And that was the part of that strategy.
You have won municipal corporation. What have you won? You won nothing. In Pune, you were wiped out, no? In Pune, you were wiped out. That was all that you had left.
Yes, very correct. The result is in front of us. So how we can deny it?
Pimpri Chinchwad, you are wiped out.
Very correct.
So you have lot of money. You and Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar have lot of money, but people don't like you.
I think it is not a matter of money actually.
I'm telling you, it's not a matter of money. All the money that Parth Pawar has got, it will not win him 10 seats also. I think you should go to business. Why be in politics? Invest the money properly somewhere, make some more money.
I told you, it is not a matter of money actually. It is not related with the money also. The people were with the opinion that they are supporting who is standing with the Modi ji, he is supporting, who is standing with the Devendra Fadnavis sahab.
Okay, let
And
me
one
now go
we
to,
have
let me
shown
turn
it
my
that
attention
in,
to,
let me
turn my attention to Congress. Sanju, don't worry, I'm coming to you, I'm just taking around. Congress party. Amazing party. I have never seen a party and a leader like this. When you feel they can't go below 31. No, I'm telling you, you thought from 75, 50 to 31, 21, now it can't go below 31, they've got to 21. Strike rate 9%, and now you are going and demanding more seats. You are saying, I want more seats in Tamil Nadu. Are you can't win a municipal election. You expect DMK to give you seats. Ratnakar Tripathi, do you understand? You are a, jo kehte hai na, dark omen for any party allying with you. Nobody wants to be your ally. I can't hear you, Ratnakar ji. You want to unmute yourself?
No, I am asking you, are you an ally of DMK?
Am
You know
I?
what DMK is thinking
I will
of?
not ally with an anti-Hindu party.
No, then why are you saying? We are dealing with DMK, not you.
No, they are not going to deal with
Had we
you.
dealing with you, you wouldn't have given them minus seats.
I am not a political
know
party, but I am more popular than you.
You don't have any love lost for us.
Of course, I don't have any love lost for you.
Yeah, so let me.
You
tell
have any
one.
doubt about it?
Yeah, I don't doubt you.
I am saying, why are you doing so badly out of academic interest?
Yeah, I told you. I just want to quote you. 1st June 2024. You said that
What?
Ratnakar ji, you will rise like a phoenix from the ashes. We will rise. We will rise. We are at a low. We will rise again. BJP was formed in 84. And in 2025, after nearly, I think, 51 years, they are here. Right? We have fallen. We are at our low. We will rise again. What is that?
Now, anyway, I don't think you will, but let me tell you. Now I'd like to go to Shiv Sena and BJP. I'm just coming. जो मैंने संजय द्विवेदी जी को कहा, हमारे बहुत ही पॉपुलर प्रोग्राम पूछता है भारत में, कि संजय द्विवेदी जी आपका क्या हुआ है. लोगों ने कई तरह की एनालिसिस की है. दुबई वाले जो आपके सेफोलॉजिस्ट है अभी भी आपको अच्छे नंबर देते हैं. दुबई वाले सेफोलॉजिस्ट दुबई में बैठ के इंडियन इलेक्शंस की एनालिसिस करते हैं. ये मैंने कहा कि ये आप पर पालघर की साधुओं की श्राप है. श्राप, द कर्स ऑफ द पालघर साधुज. ये सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के समर्थकों की बद्दुआ है. ये परमवीर और वाजे की साजिशों का नतीजा है जिसके सूत्रधार आप हैं. ये उस हनुमान चालीसा को रोकने का नतीजा है. मुस्कुराने की कोशिश मत कीजिए, आत्मचिंतन कीजिए. आपके पार्टी और आपके नेता का खेला खत्म हो चुका है. ये नवनीत राणा को वहां पे बैठी है, देख रही है, हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ रही थी. नवनीत राणा को जेल में डालने की सजा है. हिंदुत्व के हितों से हटने का परिणाम है. और बताऊं आपको,
तो थोड़ा मुझे तो जवाब भी देते चले ना. आपको ऐसे तो काम चलेगा नहीं ना. तो लाइन पूरी पढ़ते ही चले जाएंगे तो मुंह में गड़बड़ा जाएगा ना. अरे अगर आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
गुस्सा आ रहा है आपको,
तो उसका जवाब भी तो सुनते जाएं.
गुस्सा आ रहा है.
जवाब भी नहीं, मुझे कोई गुस्सा नहीं आता. मैं तो बिल्कुल नॉर्मल व्यक्ति हूँ. पिछले 35 साल से शिवसेना जुड़ा हूँ. बाला साहब ठाकरे से लेके सबसे मुलाकात है. बड़े प्रेम से मैं रहता हूँ. मैं गद्दार नहीं हूँ, न मैं गद्दारी करता हूँ, न मैं बिकता हूँ, न मुझे ईडी सीबीआई का डर है. जिसको डर होता गद्दारी करने वाले होते वो चले जाते शिवसेना से. हम लोग 80% समाज सेवा करते हैं, 20% राजनीति करते हैं. हमारे को हमें कुछ मिले या ना मिले कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हम तो महाराष्ट्र जनता को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा. महाराष्ट्र हृदय धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ कि महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने हमारे पास न पार्टी का नाम था, न हमारे पास चुनाव चिन्ह था. उसके बाद भी जिस तरह से महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने हमको सहयोग दिया, उसके लिए मैं हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ, अभिनंदन करता हूँ, वंदन करता हूँ कि उन्होंने हमको दिया. तो वही एकनाथ शिंदे हम अपना न सिद्धांत बेचे. बाला साहब ठाकरे ने कहते थे ना कभी सिद्धांत बेचेंगे, ना सम्मान बेचेंगे. ना हमने आज सम्मान बेचा, ना सिद्धांत बेचे. 2019 से जो अलग हुए उसके सबसे बड़े कारण थे देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी, जो अजीत दादा पवार के साथ उन्होंने चुपचाप जाके सरकार बना ली. और पूरे 2019 में उन्होंने एक बार हमसे नहीं कहा कि नहीं हम हमारे साथ आइए। 2014 में चुनाव में अलग लड़े, तब भी हमने भारतीय जनता पार्टी का बिना शर्त समर्थन दिया। हमने ये नहीं कहा मुख्यमंत्री हमारा बनना है, हमने समर्थन दिया। 2017 में बीएमसी चुनाव में अकेले लड़ा और हमारा भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने समर्थन किया। अब आप कहें साहब हमने वहां पे घोटाले किए, तो उसमें बीजेपी भी तो जिम्मेदार है सर ना। जिस तरह से एकनाथ शिंदे जब मुख्यमंत्री थे, अब तो बेचारे अब तो मुख्यमंत्री बन गए, बड़े सोच समझ के वो आए थे कि मैं मुख्यमंत्री परमानेंट बना रहूंगा। चलो ये उन्होंने सिद्धांत और आसमान भेज दिया, कोई बात नहीं, वो उनका सिद्धांत है। उनके परिवहन घोटाला उनके ऊपर लगाई देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी ने। बताइए जब उस समय संघ में थे उससे परिवहन घोटाला नहीं
anyway,
लगाया।
द्विवेदी जी
उस समय नहीं रोका उनको, उस समय नहीं रोका।
अपने को दिलासा देने की कोशिश, ट्राइंग टू कंसोल योरसेल्फ ऑन नेशनल टेलीविजन। देखिए आप हार गए।
भ्रष्टाचार मत करिए मान्यवर, भ्रष्टाचार के विरोध में मैं तो भ्रष्टाचार की परिभाषा भूल गया हूँ।
आप वही पार्टी है ना जिस जो परमवीर का हाथ पकड़ रहे थे। परमवीर को मेडल देने वाली पार्टी आप है कि कोई और है? वो परमवीर को मेडल किसने दिया?
जेलें बंद करेंगे। आज उनके साथ मुख्यमंत्री है वो, और वो भी देखिए मायावती दल के चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। वो भी देख लीजिए मायावती दल लड़के चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। मायावती की ये हालत है, अगर विकास और तमाम मुद्दे के बाद तो अजीत दादा पवार क्यों बाहर जाते चुनाव लड़ने के लिए?
ये बरोबर नहीं है। आप क्या बात करें? आप खुद की बात करें, आप यूबीसी की बात करें।
अरे मैं क्या बात कर रहा हूँ, सुन तो रही है
सुशीबेन,
सुनिए ना,
सुशीबेन लाउडा
पर जीते हैं।
ब्रेकिंग
बड़ा साहब की लेगेसी हमारे पास है। गद्दार आप है, आपने गद्दारी की है हिंदुत्व से, आपने गद्दारी की है बाला साहब के नैतिक मूल्यों से, आपने गद्दारी की है मुंबई कल से, आपने गद्दारी की है मुंबई से। क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? ऐसे बोल भी कैसे सकते हैं? आपको धूल चटा दी मुंबई ने, महाराष्ट्र ने आपको धूल चटा दी। आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? समझ चाहिए, उठ चाहिए। 2 बार मंत्रालय जाते हैं, 3 सभा लेते हैं और आप सोचते हैं महाराष्ट्र आपके साथ रहेगा, मुंबई आपके साथ रहेगा। मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, विकास करना पड़ता है, तब जाके आप आगे बढ़ेंगे। बात करते आप, अरे भाई आपकी लुटिया बिल्कुल नहीं है। समझ लीजिए महाराष्ट्र ने आपको रिजेक्ट किया है। MMR रीजन में देखिए 1.5 सीट, हीरा बहंदर में 0, कल्याण में 0। क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? समझ जाइए, मेहनत करने का सीखिए।
ओके, 1 मिनट। ये सवाल है मेरा। आई वॉन्ट टू ब्रिंग इन संजू वर्मा ऑल्सो, सुशी बहन। नाउ देखिए, आई नो इट्स नॉट डन। देखिए जो भी है संजय द्विवेदी जी, जो भी है, यू नो, आज पीपल ऑफ मुंबई, पीपल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र हैव रिजेक्टेड यू, दे हेट यू
कंप्लीटली, दे गॉट 0।
दे हेट यू। हेट का मतलब आप पता, आपसे घृणा करते हैं द्विवेदी जी, आपसे घृणा करते हैं।
घृणा करते तो सीटें क्यों दे दी हमको? हमारी 84 सीटें थी,
मिला होगा थोड़ा मुस्लिम वोट मिला होगा आपको,
84 सीटें थी,
थोड़ा मुस्लिम वोट मिला होगा आपको। संजू वर्मा 1 मिनट। संजू वर्मा, I just before I bring you back into the debate, I must say today that the biggest winner today is a man called Devendra Fadnavis. कितनी कोशिश हुई, the sacrifices of Devendra Fadnavis, gave up chief ministership, agreed to become deputy chief minister, lost in national elections and made a comeback in state elections and municipal elections. And look at Devendra Fadnavis. And on the other side, look at Uddhav Thackeray. Kitne scams. Son of Hindu Hriday Samrat says, Sanju, I will arrest Navneet Rana and Ravi Rana. इनकी अगर हिम्मत हो गई कि मातोश्री के बाहर ये हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ें तो इनके जेल में डाल देंगे। किसी ने सोचा नहीं था वो ऐसा करेंगे, मगर इन्होंने ऐसा किया। और इन्होंने अंतोनिया द माइनो को खुश करने के लिए किया, क्योंकि अंतोनिया नहीं, आई होप नवनीत कम्स टुनाइट। या संजू वर्मा, हाउ डू यू व्यू टुडेज रिजल्ट फ्रॉम अ मैक्रो पर्सपेक्टिव? एंड आप सुन रहे हैं टुडे उद्धव सेना स्पोक्सपर्सन इज नॉट हम्बल, ही इज नॉट हम्बल।
नहीं
शालीन नहीं, आक्रामक रूप से आए. He's come aggressive. He's angry with the people.
अपने घर में बड़ी थी, पता चाहिए
अभी पता चलेगा आपको. संजू वर्मा इज ऑन द डिबेट. संजय द्विवेदी जी 8:27 हो चुके हैं. आप दूसरे पक्ष की बात भी सुनिए.
अरे मैं तो कह रहा हूँ आप ऐसी बात मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना. अगर तो प्रशासन ने गिरफ्तार किया था.
संजू वर्मा बोलेंगी ना. आप हर बात पे अपना पक्ष रख रहे हैं. वो बीजेपी की प्रवक्ता वो है, आप नहीं है. आपने एप्लीकेशन लगाई होगी संजू वर्मा.
अच्छा, मैंने कोई एप्लीकेशन नहीं लगाई.
अरे भाई साहब, मैंने सुना आपकी बात. मैंने एक बार भी आपको टोका नहीं मिस्टर द्विवेदी. अभी डिबेट में सिर्फ बोलना नहीं है, सुनना भी है. शांत हो जाइए.
मैं भी नहीं टोकूंगा.
प्लीज शट अप. Please shut up. I did not interject you. Please shut up. I did not interject you. Thank you. Now keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. शांत हो जाइए. आपने बहुत बोला और मैंने सुना. अभी आपकी सुनने की बारी है. यहाँ पर सिर्फ बोलना नहीं है. और ना भाई रिफ्यूज टू डिबेट लाइक दिस.
नहीं 1 मिनट. ये देखिए द्विवेदी जी, आप उनकी बात सुनिए.
आप बोलिए. डिबेट बोलने के लिए होती है.
Ladies and gentlemen, BJP versus Uddhav Sena.
No, I'm not going to debate because I have a bad throat. I've been going from one studio to another. If I'm not given my 5 minutes, I refuse to debate. I waited for 29 minutes.
अभी संजय द्विवेदी जी, ये बात सही है. 8:29 होने को है, 27 को उनको मौका मिला. आप उसके बाद इनको टोकिए मत, क्योंकि पहले 28 मिनट वो आपकी बात सुनी, मेरी बात उन्होंने सुनी. ठीक है ना. अब जो भी आप कहेंगे वो कहेंगे, आपको भी सुनना होगा. यही डिबेट की मर्यादा होती है द्विवेदी जी. अब संजू वर्मा जी को बोलने दीजिए.
हाँ बोलिए.
थैंक यू. और नाउ फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, द बीएमसी इलेक्शन रिजल्ट इज अ वोट फॉर नरेंद्र मोदी, वोट फॉर देवेंद्र फडणवीस, वोट फॉर एकनाथ शिंदे, वोट फॉर द मराठी मानुस, vote for the North Indian voter. It's an endorsement by the Gujarati voter. It is an endorsement by every aspirational Mumbaikar who has applauded the Atal Setu, the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, the Mulund Gorai Link, the Andheri Versova Link, the Breach Candy Marine Drive Underpass, the Eastern Express Highway, the Vande Bharat Express trains to and from Mumbai. You know, the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, the first phase of that is complete. This is an endorsement of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail, which is coming to fruition at a rapid pace. This is an endorsement of the 11 metro corridors, the Mumbai Metro, Nagpur Metro, Pune Metro, which are coming to fruition very rapidly. This is an endorsement of the Samruddhi Expressway. The first phase of that is complete. Basically, what I want to say is this. Not only Mumbai, you look at Nagpur, you look at Navi Mumbai, look at Thane, look at Ulhasnagar, look at Kalyan Dombivli, look at Vasai Virar, look at Chhatrapati Shambhaji Nagar. You know, even hitherto areas where our dominance was always questionable, even there we have done phenomenally well. Look at Pune. I mean, imagine the Pawars are wiped out. Look at Pimpri Chinchwad, Sharad Pawar's bastion, so-called bastion. You know, today he's completely decimated. And I want to say one more thing. That the BJP had an outlier in Lok Sabha 2024 when we did not do as we desired. From Maharashtra, we had a very pathetic score. But we are a party which actually goes back to the drawing board. When we say hum Atma Chintan karte hain, Atma Manthan karte hain, we actually walk the talk. Look at our phenomenal strike rate of 91% in assembly elections of Maharashtra. After June 2024, there were elections in 6 states. We won 4 out of 6 with a strike rate of 67%. Today, the numbers that you have shown are anything to go by. You know, BJP strike rate will be close to 86%. So the limited point is this. Beyond numbers, तुष्टिकरण की राजनीति, द्वेष और जलन की राजनीति, सांप्रदायिकता की राजनीति, रसमलाई वर्सेस जलेबी की राजनीति, लुंगी पुंगी वाली राजनीति, नॉर्थ इंडियन वर्सेस साउथ इंडियन की राजनीति, गुजराती वर्सेस सिंधी, तमिल वर्सेस तेलुगु, असमीज वर्सेस बंगाली, ये जो राजनीति ऑफ डिवाइड एंड रूल दैट वाज बीइंग परपेचुएटेड, you know, by Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray, the voters have shown them the middle finger. I don't want to get obscene, but that is precisely what has happened.
Please.
And I want to say one last thing, Arnab. Do you remember after 72 hours when Fadnavis had to step down, on the floor of the Maharashtra Assembly when the others were mocking him, he said, "Mera pani utarte dekh, yahan apna ghar mat bana lena, main samundar hu, laut kar wapas zarur aunga." And what a comeback. That is my first point, and my final point is only this, that you look at Aditya Thackeray, he opposed the metro car shed, he opposed the Ratnagiri refinery. Aditya Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray had problems with Fadnavis's Jal Yukt Shivar Abhiyan. Uddhav Thackeray had a problem with the Mumbai Metro Aqua Line. Uddhav Thackeray has had a problem with the Ahmedabad-Mumbai bullet train. You know, when repeatedly Uddhav and Aditya have been undermining every big infrastructure project made, which is basically meant to make the life of ordinary Mumbaikars easier, why should Mumbaikars go out and vote for these people? और बात रही सिद्धांतों की, so today the same Uddhav Thackeray, whose father Bala Saheb Thackeray was called Hindu Hriday Samrat, the same Uddhav Thackeray is actually taking pot shots at Hindu by cracking Gobar Bhakt, And Bhakt and Gaumutra jokes. He's taking Gaumutra jibes at Hindus. Is this the legacy that Bala Saheb Thackeray had given to Uddhav Thackeray, his son? He's completely obliterated, demolished that legacy of his father. And my final point is this. Amit Thackeray studied at the Podar College of Commerce. He's the son of Raj Thackeray. Aditya Thackeray studied in Bombay Scottish, and then, he studied French in his 10th and 11th. So my final point is, why did Amit Thackeray study at a posh college in Pedder Road? He could have studied at Kirti College in Dadar. He could have studied Marathi, or he could have studied Marathi at Ram Narayan Ruia College in Matunga, or he could have studied Marathi at Marathi Mitra Mandal College in Bandra. Matlab, their own sons and daughters will get the best aspirational education. But when it comes to the ordinary Mumbaikar,
I now want to
give them that
Sanju,
chance.
I want to get a couple of more panelists who've joined us in. I have Mahesh Chavan of the NCP, and we have Milind Deora joining us tonight from the Shiv Sena. Hello, Milind. Look how the cookie has crumbled. I'm very well. I'm always well. My first question is to Mahesh Chavan, then I'm turning my attention right there to you, Milind. Mahesh Chavan, do you think people have started looking at the Pawars as a money-making operation? Because there is no ideology, everyone knew. But good at making money. This Parth Pawar land deal, anytime they are in the news, it is for being shareholder here, shareholder there, scam here, scam there, helping somebody. Somebody from your party is helping the Pune Porsche case, the person there, right? Ajit Pawar said that he called the Pune CP in the context of the Pune Porsche case. So have the Pawars, both sides, become representatives of a certain, I wouldn't say nepotism, the money-making culture. Out of respect for his age, people won't say anything. But Mahesh Chavan, you know what I mean. Otherwise, why would people punish you like this? Destroy you in Pune?
Arnab, firstly, it was BJP who decided to go solo in Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad, and that is why Ajit Pawar wanted to join hands with us. This is one thing. It was not us. And secondly, if you're talking about Ajit Pawar and Parth Pawar and those Porsche cases, it was not Sharad Pawar, right? And if we
how not Sharad Pawar? How not Sharad Pawar?
Just a moment.
Mahesh, I'll take half a second, please. The fact is that let's stop the pretense now. Everybody knows that Ajit Pawar, Sharad Pawar are one. Devendra Fadnavis, I met him a week back. He told me, Arnab, Ajit Pawar was a mohra, a chess pawn for Sharad Pawar in 2019. And now on January 10th, suddenly you people want to play birthday party with Supriya Sule and Ajit Pawar standing on the same stage for the Pune Municipal Corporation. You thought it would be a winning act. You know what will be remembered for? Both came together and still lost.
Okay, tell me one thing now. All over the state, all over the state, Ajit Pawar is in alliance with BJP and Shinde Sena, even in center.
Not
Only
in these
places.
elections.
No. Why not? You see everywhere, only 2 places we are in alliance. Which Ajit Pawar? That is Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad.
In Mumbai.
Rest of the places, Mumbai we are not in alliance, Arnab.
Then why did they contest 94 seats in Mumbai if not on your behalf?
No, it's not on our behalf. Arnab, you do your research.
No, I don't do
politely,
research.
I'm
I have
asking
information. You are going to join
yeah.
hands in 2-3 weeks after the budget session of Parliament. We know that.
There is
And then
no
9 seats from the combined alliance will be transferred to the NDA, and Sharad Pawar will try and make Supriya Sule a central minister. It's all known.
So this is what was told to you by Mr. Devendra Fadnavis?
No. This is my understanding.
Yeah. Your understanding, okay, you have a right to understand what you like, but there is no such proposal from either sides. This is what I can say. Currently, there is no such proposal.
Okay. Now, this was Milind Deora, the first election after the breakup of both NCP and Shiv Sena, right? You are with Eknath Shinde, that is Shiv Sena. Now, the Uddhav Sena says, look here, we got less seats than last time, but we did better than these guys. We did better than Eknath Shinde Sena in many places. You're reading to that. They say we are not wiped out. We are down but not out.
Yeah. Firstly, good evening, Arnab. Nice to see you. Well, actually, it's the third election since the Shiv Sena split and the NCP split, because we had a Lok Sabha election, we had a Vidhan Sabha election.
No, I meant BMC.
Yes, the municipal elections, and we also had local elections like Nagar Parishad elections prior to the municipal corporation elections, municipal council elections. So I think it's very clear as far as my party is concerned that we've demonstrated very decisively that the future of Shiv Sena lies clearly with Eknath Shinde. Now, as far as Uddhav Thackeray goes, if you really look at Maharashtra, if you look at just the recently concluded Nagar Parishad, Zilla Parishad, municipal council elections and the municipal corporation elections, Uddhav Thackeray is really limited now to being a Mumbai party. And in that sense, the fact that after 30 years of controlling the city, and mind you, after 30 years of using the same narrative, that Mumbai is being divided from Maharashtra, vote for us, it's very important, we're all in danger, Mumbai khatre mein hai, Maharashtra khatre mein hai, that narrative has fallen flat in its face. And, someone before me was talking about how many speed breakers were put in various infrastructure projects, including the Mumbai Metro. Today, the fact is that people of Mumbai are seeing a visible, tangible change in their everyday lives. The people of Mumbai are seeing that the state government, the central government have been delivering for this in various ways, whether you're a motorist who commutes by car, whether you're someone who uses public transportation, and whether you're someone who needs affordable housing, whether you're someone living in a skyscraper. And the fact is that the Mumbai municipality is the richest civic body.
But will you be all this is good, but will you be comfortable? Will you be comfortable?
We feel just one second. One minute. The municipal corporation.
Milind, listen to me. Let's talk practical stuff, okay? And Sanju is also here. Let's talk. I mean, neither you and I are greenhorns anymore, right? Though we are both growing younger by the day. The question is this: will you be comfortable if Sharad Pawar joins the NDA?
I mean, why should I answer a question which is completely hypothetical?
What hypothetical?
I mean, why is it, where is it on the cards?
Yeah, it's very much on the cards. It's going to happen anytime, you know that.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, okay. So when it happens, we'll take a decision.
So you'll be fine. You'll be fine with it.
I didn't say that. I said that when it happens, we'll take a decision.
So you won't be fine with it.
As of now,
you'll be happy, and you'll be happy after saying all that you have done.
I haven't said that, Arnab.
No, you are a very polite guy. You don't say anything. But I'm saying generally,
you can say it for me.
Given the things that you have said about connections between NCP leaders and what is that fellow Tiger Memon, all these kind of guys, shady Bombay underworld types. all the stuff that has been said today, will you be happy taking Sharad Pawar into NDA? Because he is desperately going to look for a deal. He is looking for a deal for his daughter. Now, Supriya was anti, she's sort of part of the secular camp, the Mahua Maitra group in Delhi. But now she also realizes she wants to be somewhere, so she wants to wrangle a ministry in position in the next 4 years of this term of the Modi government. So she'll tell her dad, it's okay, I now will no longer oppose you. And Sharad Pawar will join hands.
My answer is this, that just before coming on this channel, I was on another channel where someone asked me a question, would you be happy if Uddhav Thackeray joined the NDA?
No, that is a stupid channel. Whoever has asked you that question, they are a stupid channel. But because they don't know politics. But I know politics. I am telling you. No, Sanju.
All I'll say is this. I'll say this. And, I will say that the NDA has 3 partners. It's a unique alliance. In the past, in Maharashtra, there have been typically 2 political parties. Here you have a situation where you have 3 political parties sharing power. You have 2 deputy chief ministers, 1 chief minister.
I want that bite of never say never bite of
Despite
Devendra.
that, the alliance is working well in Delhi, in Maharashtra, in the state. In
Never say
local
never.
municipalities, it's very common that different parties, even...
But I don't understand this. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. See, when I met Devendra and I told him, Devendra, do you know that there's an alliance between Ambarnath Municipal Corporation between Congress and BJP? He said, what? And then he called someone, pulled them up, they cancelled it. I told him, do you know there's an alliance between MIM and BJP at a local level? He said, what? Then he called someone and he cancelled it. Right, it's all right, but then I asked him, but tell me one thing, Devendraji, in the interview, who can you tie up with? And I like one thing about Devendra. Honestly, Sanju, I've never seen a more practical guy. I've never seen a more practical person. He said, never say never in politics. And then he said, except the Vadra Congress, except the Sonia Congress, we can tie up with anyone. He was so practical about it. Milind, don't pay queasy with me, all right? Now, come on, open up a little bit, tell us the real story. Why do people watch my program? Because they want the info. I say the big headline is going to be Sharad Pawar is going to be joining you guys.
Right now, the only info I can give you with complete clarity, and I apologize if that's not to your liking, is that I'm very happy as a Mumbaikar that after 30 long years, as someone who's fought for accountability in the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, we will have accountability. We will have the same alliance that controls Maharashtra and that controls the center. More than politics for me, Arnab, as a Mumbaikar, I'm keen to see the richest.
But can't you even say
Asia
to the
be more
Shiv Sena guy who ran the moment you came in? No, the point is that anyone who's against...
As far as your questions of, who else will join the alliance, this is something which honestly, I don't believe there's anyone on the cards who's likely to join the alliance. If there is, I'm sure my party will take a decision and express its views once that happens.
May I come in,
Just to remind you, Arnab, Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Narendra Modi ji has himself made a public statement कि वो राजनीति में शरद पवार साहब की उंगली पकड़ के आए. अगर वो राजनीति में शरद पवार साहब को उनके गुरु मानते हैं, तो who will take an objection, sir? If you are...
Thank you for having me. I have to leave, unfortunately, for another program, but good to see you. Thank you.
Arnab, let me rebut that, please.
Yes, Sanju.
You know, Narendra Modi is someone who's absolutely gracious, very polite. I don't think you will see him taking pot shots at other senior leaders, much less somebody like Sharad Pawar, who has been multiple times the Chief Minister of Maharashtra and has been a heavyweight politician, whether we like it or not. Of course, today his stature stands diminished, but be that as it may, the point is this, which nobody seems to be talking about. Have you forgotten, Arnab? During the peak COVID second wave in 2021, there was a lady called Kishori Pednekar. I believe she's one from ward number 199.
Arnab, I would like to make a point.
As the mayor, she was, please let me finish. She was the former mayor of Mumbai from the Uddhav Sena group. She is involved in an affidavit scam. She is involved in SRA scam. She is involved in the Worli project scam. She is involved in the COVID body bag scam. She was selling COVID body bags costing 2,000 for 25,000 to ordinary Mumbaikars when they needed nothing. more than the state to be holding their hands. And this lady was fleecing Mumbaikars right, left and center. So corruption has been an issue, and Uddhav Thackeray has not covered himself in glory. Raj Thackeray has not covered himself in glory. Aditya Thackeray has a problem with Ambani Adani, but he's seen dancing at Anant Ambani's wedding. Raj Thackeray is seen giving a jadoo ki jhappi to Gautam Adani at Sharad Pawar's get-together. So do you think people can't see?
Is that so? Is that so?
Of the Thackeray brothers? Of course, photos are viral on social media. Susi Ben Shah, will endorse that, I'm sure. This is in public domain. I'm not disclosing a big secret out here.
See, in the Baramati also, when Mr. Adani came, they had touched his feet and they had a great bohemi going on. Similarly, Raj Thackeray had invited the Adanis for dinner at his place. It was a private dinner. No one was there. No journalists, no cameras was there. In Karnataka, Adani has been just given under a big, huge infrastructural tunnel contract. So therefore,
So are you saying Raj Thackeray has become a businessman, really? Raj Thackeray is a businessman.
Absolutely.
He's not a politician.
What is Kohinoor Mills? Kohinoor Mill, the entire development, it is at the instance of Thackeray, including Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray. Everyone knows about it. Now I will also tell you about this Kishori Pednekar. I have gone to the High Court, filed a writ petition, which will be now converted into election petition, and we will challenge it. And there are abundant Supreme Court judgments which says that under Section 33A of the People's Representation of People's Act, should you make a false allegation, your election is going to be void. And these are huge scams. SRA, she has 4 homes, where in the earlier election of the municipal corporation election, she had shown that as her flat, which now stands sealed. So all that is going to be exposed. It is very, very clear, Arnab. The Thackerays, the Sahib of Shiv Sena have used BMC as ATM, but now Mahayuti will use it as an ATM, but accountable to Mumbaikars. That is ATM, and once again, the M of Mumbai, the Mumbai, Marathi Manus, Mahila and Marathi Bhasha Asmita.
Yeah, also Ajit Pawar, I feel, spoke too much this time. He said, can you hear me?
You said Raj Thackeray has become a businessman.
Yes.
I think it's good to be businessmen,
Yes,
it's good to be entrepreneurs, but Raj Thackeray is a middleman. Raj Thackeray is not even a businessman.
BJP says Raj Thackeray is a middleman.
Raj Thackeray is a middleman. I won't use the word dalal, that would be taking things too far, but he's a middleman. And, let's be very clear about one thing, Arnab, that today, after Marathi, Hindi is the highest, spoken language. Next comes Urdu, 4th is Gujarati. You keep saying North Indians don't belong here. There are 4 million North Indians in Mumbai. There are 6 million North Indians in Mumbai metropolitan region. Why should they go out and vote for you? Why should the average Gujarati staying in Mumbai vote for you? You want to appease your Muslim vote bank, but voting ke din, aapko Hinduon ke vote chahiye.
Okay, Ajit Pawar was trying to act very smart, Brijmohan ji, and he said, trying to mock and make fun of Devendra Fadnavis. And Devendra Fadnavis told me that I am only being very controlled about Ajit Pawar. I have restrained myself. नहीं तो मुझे भी अच्छी तरह से वापस देना आता है. इलेक्शन का समय है, मैं अपने आप को रिस्ट्रेन कर रहा हूं. Otherwise, I can give it back to Ajit Pawar. Ajit Pawar is so ungrateful, Brijmohan ji. He says, जिस पार्टी ने मुझ पर इरिगेशन स्कैम के आरोप डाले, आज अपनी विवशता में वो मेरे साथ, मैं उनके साथ कैबिनेट में हूं. It is the political compulsion of Devendra Fadnavis that he has to tie up with me. Such arrogance was very bad, no? आज उस arrogance की चूर-चूर हो गई. Brijmohan ji, that arrogance today Ajit Pawar has been routed in Pimpri Chinchwad.
देखिए, मैं इसको स्पष्ट कर दूं, ये एरोगेंस का मुद्दा नहीं, ये एरोगेंस का मुद्दा
एरोगेंस तो था.
ये वहां लोकल किसी आदमी ने इस प्रकार का आरोप लगाया था, उसका उन्होंने जवाब दिया था। ये एरोगेंस से जुड़ा हुआ नहीं है, एक। और दूसरा, महायुति में हम लोगों का किसी से कोई डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन नहीं है। हम लोग आदरणीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब, आदरणीय एकनाथ,
अभी आदरणीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस, अभी आदरणीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस बन गए। कल तक आप देवेंद्र फडणवीस के बारे में कैसे बात कर रहे थे?
I always use this word.
आप आपके नेता नहीं ना, आपके नेता आदरणीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस कहते हैं, वो कहते हैं उनकी तो कंपल्शन है, मेरे साथ है
ना। मैं आपसे कह रहा हूं कि उन्होंने देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब का नाम नहीं लिया, वहां लोकल लेवल पे ये बात,
उन्हीं का नाम लिया,
पे उन्होंने जवाब दिया है,
उन्हीं पर इशारा था।
कर रहा हूं नहीं, फिर अब आपने उसको इशारे में कन्वर्ट कर दिया। मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये लोकल लेवल पर एक मुद्दा उठाया था, उसका उन्होंने जवाब दिया था और उसको उन्होंने स्पष्ट भी किया है।
व्हाट लोकल लेवल? क्यों बात करते हैं ऐसा, इतनी रूडली बात क्यों करते हैं? वंस ही सेड कि डू आई हैव टू यूरिनेट इन अ डैम टू गिव वाटर, उसके बाद इन्होंने इतनी रूडली एक IAS ऑफिसर, IPS ऑफिसर के साथ बात की, फिर अपने बेटे के स्कैम को छुपाने की कोशिश की। वो अपने आप को क्या समझते हुए पुणे पोर्ट स्कैम में उन्होंने कमिश्नर को फोन किया, वो अपने आप को क्या समझते हैं? एक्सपोज हो गए ना। आपको याद है 2019 की वो दोपहर, 2019 का तो दोपहर जहां पे उन्होंने गवर्नर्स हाउस में स्वेरिंग इन करने के बाद मंत्रालय नहीं गए, हाइड एंड सीक खेली देवेंद्र फडणवीस के साथ, बैक स्टैप किया, मोहरा बन गए, चेस पॉन। बहुत अपने आप को स्मार्ट समझा था मैं शरद पवार का भांजा हूं, अब मैं दिखाऊंगा हमारी परिवार की पॉलिटिक्स। आज आप मान के तो चलेंगे कि जिन देवेंद्र फडणवीस का मजाक उड़ाते थे, आप उन्हीं को आदरणीय बोल रहे हैं। विवशता किसकी है अब? विवशता अब किसकी है? सिचुएशन नहीं आपको
आप बहुत इसको पर्सनलाइज कर रहे हैं।
मैं नहीं कर रहा,
इसको बहुत पर्सनलाइज कर रहे हैं। मैं
क्या करूंगा?
इसको इतना पर्सनलाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं है। You are trying to make it a very personal issue.
No, I'm not making it personal.
We are discussing the political issues. No, we are not discussing this personalized issues, which is not.
You were personal with Devendra, with the BJP.
It is not related directly with me. I can discuss the political issues of the party. I can discuss with the political matter.
I am discussing political issues.
But it is so personalized questions you are asking me.
Personalized क्या? Direct को personal क्या हो गया?
Personalized questions. No, it's all personalized questions. You are asking me. You are asking
Sanju,
to me.
What is personalized?
I am not capable to reply for these questions.
Bijmohan ji, you are looking weak and unsure and insecure and worried and trepidatious in middle of the line. You don't know what to say, what not to say.
Why? No. Why? I think
I just want to
Sanju wants to give one last line.
I disagree with you. We are quite. We are the part of Mahayuti, and there is no.
Okay, Sanju, please.
Difference in it.
Quickly, yes. Sanju. 10 seconds.
I want to end with a few lines. You know, the other side, the Lashkar system always uses these lines of Rahat Indori. किसी के बाप का हिंदुस्तान थोड़ी है, सभी का खून शामिल है यहाँ की मिट्टी में। अगर खिलाफ है तो होने दो, जान थोड़ी है, यहाँ धुआं है, आसमान थोड़ी है। तो मैं भी यही कहूंगी, किसी के बाप का महाराष्ट्र थोड़ी है, ये ठाकरे परिवार की धरोहर थोड़ी है। यहाँ पर जो काम करेगा,
viewers, on that note, at 9 o'clock tonight, the national picture, the big lessons, and our constant telescopic search for an opposition. When I'm back.
Time for a quick breather.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला। सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप।